Hello world, and welcome to a real special one. This is I'm not good at reveals, I'm not good at intros and stuff like that, so we'll just do dun 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 dun, boink, bazinga, ka-chow, kerplam, finito. My glove fell down. I was gonna hide my plate. I guess it doesn't really matter. So I finished the tank. Is it perfect? No. Is it done? Yes. I'm not gonna sit here too long and stuff. I might go out and ride again, and maybe I'll talk about it. But what do you call it? Definitely made some mistakes. Definitely learned some things. It is not perfect, so don't look at it too close in any one spot, because that's not what it's all about. You know, hi woofer. I think it looks great. I don't care. I'm happy because I did it. Me. All that. You know? So, you know what I really need to do now is paint this, the Royal Enfield, black. I've seen a lot of people do that. I do plan on putting the badges on at some point. I think I might put, again, like black lettering that actually say Royal Enfield instead of the modern, this thing, that little sucker that used to be on the green. So yeah, now it's not green anymore. That's for sure. So, you know, that's all she wrote, man. Obviously it's beautiful weather right now. Someone commented on a random video and said, hey man, how's the tank going? And I got it sanded down, but it was too cold for me to clear coat it, basically. And that, you know, several weeks went by and it got some surface rust. So I was really unhappy about that. I hope there's not, what do you call it? I hope there's not interior rust, because I did not check. I don't really think there would be. It's been sealed up the whole time or whatever and all that. You know, I don't know. I like the back of this. I probably did like 4 coats of clear coat. And again, like, it's not perfect. I really don't care. It just because any imperfection is like, you know, it just looks raw, if anything. I don't want to go, I could have gone more and more shiny and more whatever. I didn't want it to be matching the engine and the exhaust pipes and stuff like that. I want it to not clash, that's a strong word, but I think it still goes hand in hand very nicely. So it is an absolute joy to be done with it. Could I take it off again and retouch up some things? Sure. Of course we could. We always could. The only thing I've noticed with me doing this is the fuel pump still works. Sounds a little bit different. Obviously the fuel pump still works. I plugged it back in and everything, but I do know my bike pretty well, and I would say it sounds off. So who knows, maybe one day, sometime soon, it just won't work. Maybe I should go under again. And I'm really happy that I did this. I feel accomplished. I don't care. Again, it's the first time I've ever done anything like this curvature here, you know, like you can tell that it's been sanded, right? And like it's got some swirl marks on there if you really look at it, but in the sunlight, it looks so good. I don't care if it has, they're perfect imperfections, man. Who's that song? Who's that guy? Is it John Legend? All your perfect imperfections. I love it. Oh, excuse me, pardon me. Get back over there, please. Get off the line. Yeah, I mean, I just think it's like so cool. Hey, horsies, why you guys got your little face covers on? It's beautiful out. Oh, they probably don't want sunburn on their little ears. So, completely different look of the bike, man. I love it. Now I really got to do something about my indicators. This is just awesome. I love it. thank you. I can't remember your name at the moment, and I very much apologize for that, but thank you, sir, who asked about my tank, because we had a nice, this is my day 4 off. I work 4 on 4 off, for those of you who don't know. I tried to get it done on Friday, did not get it done because I made mistakes, man. Like, I clear coated and I saw, you know, it's just stupid because it's things you learn with inexperience, but like, I saw a little drip coming down, like 1 or 2 drips in one spot that I must have hit too heavy or twice or whatever. And stupidly, I'm like, oh, let me just take a little microfiber, just pop, pop, ruined it. And then I'm like, I realized later, I literally sanded that was the first coat of clear coat. I literally sanded it all off again. Oh, we want to make this light. I literally sanded it all off again, and as I was doing that, it looked like shit, as you know, the one spot that I did start to get the drop, and then I'm realizing, I'm like, wait a minute, dude, I'm supposed to like go over it by hand with ridiculously high, like I used 2000 grit on it after I clear coated a couple coats. I hit it with 2000 grit, clear coated 2 more coats, and then I just sanded it again today. I did the second application of clear coat and sanding today. So, but like I probably could have gotten rid of that drop. So like I wasted like half a day on Friday, and then Saturday we did some gardening, we got some good gardening done. Sunday we had family over, did a little barbecue, we built a deck, rebuilt one of the decks on our house, and then today is Monday, and I said I'm gonna finish this week off, or you know, my days off, on a real big high. I feel very accomplished across the board, and now I got a super smexy bike. I mean, that's the funny thing. My dad was just looking at it too. He's like, the green looked good, but this, oh, you know. And yeah, of course, the British Racing green, I love that color. I was happy to get that color. It's also the cheapest, but you know, this is mine. It's mine. It be mine. I don't know what they're doing over here. All this, oh, I got dust in my eyes from going through that. I don't know what they're doing over there. They've been clearing that stuff out. Oh, yikes. That looks like a broken axle. Someone had a great time in one of those things. Everybody's got dinged up cars, man. That dog doesn't have a leash. It's concerning. No owner. No owner. Well, I don't know. I might keep this one brief, guys. That was it. Showed off the bike, did a couple walk-arounds. You see what it looks like on me, and I see like there's imperfections here, man. I really don't care. It looks like it was done by hand because it was. It's not flawless because I'm not flawless, you know. This is mine. It be mine. It be mine. Alrighty, y'all have a good day now, and ride safe. Get home safe. Enjoy your meal, your next meal. Okay, bye-bye.